Hey guys, Lily here, and today I'm going to be playing some Roblox, and I want y'all to add me. I'll accept your friend request. I don't have good pets. I have 2 cats. So, yeah, friend me. It's Queen Slay with 2 Ys, 113213. So, I need to go home to feed my cat. Or to shower my cat. No one ever trades with me. My house is over here. Oh my gosh, someone's devil unicorn just like... Here it is. Oh, again, friend me. Queen Slay with 2 Ys. Okay. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Lucas, cat. While it's taking a shower, could you like subscribe or like, please? Okay, the cat's done now, so exiting because I need to go to school. Okay, let's go to school. I'm not really sure where the school is, so I'm gonna navigate. So, oh my gosh. Oh, I scammed someone before on my other account. Like, they thought I was gonna give them an extra legendary pet. And I said ABC to trust trade. And, like, they have such good pets. I mean, such a rich server. I want this guy's pet. Gosh, why isn't it letting me add? I'm just accepting what they accept, though. Oh, really? Oh, this is a school. This red thing. The Red Lake House. Okay. Oh, we can put stuff on the board. Okay. They said that was 66 characters. How was that 66 characters? Oh, it's not on the school yet. Okay, Thomas, I'm at school. Like or subscribe, please. Oh, it's a preteen. Okay. My dream pet is a Frost Fury. I think that's what it's called. But it's like one of those blue like dragon things, and you can ride them. I want to ride and fly one. Like, could someone like trade that to me, because I don't have it, like anything. I have 2 cats. One's a preteen and the other's a newborn. For proof, see. Preteen, it's common, and newborn. Okay. I'm gonna go into this mansion right here. I want one of these houses. You have to pay to go in here. Please remember to donate if you have a good time, okay? Let's see if I have a good time first. It's gonna say... Oh, wow, they locked their house. Okay. I'm trying to get to my house, so... Where is my cat? Did it get stuck on the edge? So guys, there's gonna be a few parts I'm trying to make my cat yawn. So, I've already taken care of it for a few when it was a junior and throughout the time it was a newborn. Why is it? Oh my gosh, I put it in the shower for no reason. It needed sleep. What the? Okay, it's sleeping. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button. And when... Oops. So, when part 2 and part 3 are... How many parts comes out, like those videos too. Bye, guys!